Hello students, the next topic is SCADA protocol translation. So what do you mean by protocol translation? So protocol translation is nothing but it allows terminal users on one network to access hosts on other network to ensure communication and compatibility. So with this protocol translation, the legacy serial protocols are translated to a corresponding IP version. So this legacy serial protocols are nothing but all this SCADA, DNP3, these are all called as legacy serial protocols. So let us see in the figure. So here in the figure you can see it uses two serially connected DNP3. You can see here two DNP3 serial interface configuration and two master application. Here this two master application supporting DNP3 over IP. So what are this master application, why it is used? So this master application helps to control and pull data from RTUs. So you have something called as RTU. So RTU are nothing but again they are so it is a remote terminal unit. Okay, so remote terminal unit is a device or electronic device that interfaces objects from the physical world to a distributed control system, and this is done by using the messages from the supervisory master or any master in the given network. So this is about RTU. So then there is something called as IoT gateway. Here in between you can see IoT gateway. So this IoT gateway performs a protocol translation that enables communication between the RTUs and the given servers. Okay, so even though the serial connection is present on one side and IP connection is used by the other side, even knowing that also this IoT gateway performs the protocol translation. And this IoT gateway also implements computing functions close to the edge networks. So by doing this, it will help in scaling the distributed intelligence in IoT networks. So this is about DNP3 protocol translation. Thank you.